Hello, everyone. Mitchell here from Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering Capital One Financial, ticker COF, one of the largest U.S. credit card issuers and consumer banks known for innovative rewards cards and digital banking. The stock is gaining strong momentum heading into 2026 with multiple analyst upgrades this week. Bank of America reaffirmed a buy rating with a $294 price target, while others like Citi and Wells Fargo raised targets above 280, citing robust growth and the transformative Discover acquisition. Jim Cramer recently called the move in Capital One's extraordinary, highlighting the deal's potential to strengthen its payment network and boost interchange revenue. Shares are up significantly in recent months on this optimism. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Like, subscribe, and hit notifications for more stock updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Guys, check the links. Check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you soon.